All right, now we get a chance to take a run in a 1971 SS 454 Chevelle. This was pretty nice. It's original copper metallic. It has a matching number LS5 454 engine in it that's been rebuilt. Runs like a top. Oh yeah. It's got 370 Positraction 12-bolt differential. A lot of the big blocks had.
5-speed Tremec.
Yep, used to have a 4-speed, but now it's got a 5-speed. So, you know, if you're a purist and you want to put it back, it wouldn't be a big deal, but it's kind of nice with that extra gear.
Oh yeah, for the freeway.
Yep.
Get the engine hours down.
Plus it's got a hydraulic clutch, which is nice. This one's got air conditioning. You don't see that too often, so it's got factory air with an updated compressor with R134 Freon in it. I like the color though. You don't see them this color all the time, and you know, it's got the black stripes on there. It's got the SS wheels, factory SS gauges.
Yep. Got a little extra tack here.
It's got a factory tack in there, so we may fix that one or leave it alone, but at least it's an option. We can get rid of that, fix the factory one.
All right, let's see what happens.
Woo! That's fun.
Woohoo! Yeah, look at that, man. Nothing like some big block torque and power.
That's right. Good thing you got power disc brakes.
Yeah, the brakes work really good in this thing.
They're
almost a little touchy, but they're nice.
I think they're slotted and drilled too.
Oh,
I
yeah.
remember, right?
I think I just slotted them.
You slotted them. You slaughtered them.
Yeah, I think the Tremec works really well. Clutch and everything feel good.
Nice with the buckets console too. Sandlewood Interior.
Yeah, I'm picky about clutches, and this one feels great.
We put new rubber on this one too. It's got new tires all the way around, so you can burn them off.
Yeah, so you can do what I did. No, just kidding.
All right, here's our new addition to California cars, a 1971 Chevelle SS 454. This one's got a matching number 454 engine in it. They had 365 horsepower stock. This one's got a couple of upgrades done to it. Been rebuilt, so I think it's about 60 over. It's a runner. And they also added it was a 4-speed car originally. They put a Tremec 5-speed in it. So it's got a hydraulic clutch, extra gear for the freeway. It's got a 370 Positraction 12-bolt differential that's all been gone through. We have a lot of receipts for this car. We got $10,000 engine receipt, so done nice. Classic copper metallic. Don't see that color too often. Nice color with the black stripes. Everybody's got a red, black, or white one, or silver, so something different. It's got sandalwood strato bucket interior, center console, brand new BF Goodrich TAs all the way around. Pretty nice interior. It's got some splits in the driver's seat. You know, you can get seat covers for this car, the front factory ones, pretty reasonably. You probably do too, so they match good. But the dash is in good shape. I mentioned earlier it's got an aftermarket tack, but a factory tack is in the dash, so we may get that going again. Odometer gauges down below. Remote mirror. Really a good looking muscle car with lots of torque and plenty of horsepower. Here's the massive power plant in that 71 SS 454 Chevelle. LS5 version. I mean, the LS6 was the granddaddy, but that was the previous year. It's when they started, late 70s, started dropping horsepower. But this one they didn't. 365 horse from the factory. This one's got a few upgrades, MSD ignition, updated AC compressor with R134 Freon, the power disc brakes, hydraulic clutch as we mentioned earlier, some Edelbrock goodies on there, cast iron head motor, but she's a runner. We're going to go ahead and fire it up for you. Sounds great. No weird noises under the hood. Got a nice little cam in it. Dual exhaust going all the way out the back. Yeah, big block power. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to me, Rich, or Gary if I'm not in, and be happy to talk about the car with you or show it to you. Thanks for watching.